Hello, friends, students and the learners. I hope that you have completed first week module 1 and 2, which gave the overall concept of research ethics and also introduction to plagiarism, which we introduced in the first week itself, some of the major terms. And there will be a special session on research ethics. There will be few modules which will be including about exclusively for research ethics. And this week we are going to cover reference management tools. I hope that you have already finished your MCQ questions and you have seen the video. You have also read the module 1 text, e-text, and module 2 e-text. And this week we are changing the topic a little bit as per the sequence. We thought that we should give you some practical aspect in the initial level itself. So this week we are introducing reference management tools. Any researcher needs to refer or cite so many articles, and this is to be remembered for the entire article. And what is happening is that for remembering such article, we should use some tools now so that you don't need to remember the citation or references anywhere. So there are free and online tools which can be used to store or archive this kind of citations. So my next faculty in this week, second week, Dr. Mitesh Pandya will be talking about using or how to manage references in MS Word, and 2 free and open tool, reference management tools, that is Mendeley and Zotero. So 3 modules are there for this week. Stay tuned to learn a new online tool which will be helpful for your entire life for managing the resources. This will be handled by my colleague and faculty, Dr. Mitesh Pandya.
Hello friends, welcome to MOOC course on research ethics. I am Mitesh Kumar Pandya, working as a scientist B at InfluBNet Center, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. This module is about managing references in MS Word. In this module, we will learn about reference management, importance of references, effective use of reference management system, functions and features of reference management system with special reference to MS Word. Before we start, we have to understand about research. What is the role of research in society? So let us start about research. Research is a paramount prerequisite for improving social life. It is a systematic investigation of research question or set of questions. As a general practice of research, researcher has to chalk out a research plan and has to follow all the steps stringently to complete it in the given time period. First and foremost stop in research activity is to identify relevant literature in opted area. The literature is being published in a variety of forms, and all the relevant literature with predefined break-even point has to be covered before starting the research work. The knowledge world is scattered in variety of platforms, and all the relevant literature has to be gathered in some common place so that one can refer as and when required. Reference management system or reference management tool allows users to manage their literature irrespective of type of document. Many reference management tools are available in market, such as Mendeley, Zotero, MyEndNoteWeb, ProCite, RefManager, etc. Some of these tools are also available in open source. Researchers can organize their research work in all these softwares with full text document and associated metadata. It also facilitates users to generate in-text citation and generate list of all the resources which have been used in the research work. The software comes with an add-on for MS Word, which allows users to integrate software with Microsoft Word, and they can cite it while writing the research report. Now let us understand what is reference management system. Bibliographic information in the form of references and in-text citation for the relevant literary work are an important and preponderant prerequisite for all scholarly publications. Collecting all such resources in standardized format, reading full text as and when required, embedding the full text manuscript with bibliographic information is a tedious and time-consuming process. The library professionals who are dealing with structured bibliographical data are able to easily make out the information resources as and when required, as they have been trained in this area for information storage and retrieval. It is slightly difficult for a non-library science background professionals to have enough understanding about the citation styles and creating the references or the resources which they have used in their literary work. It is evident from the recent inventions in last decade that the job of researcher has become very easy with reference management tools. Collection of resources is a big challenge in a way. In a country like India, most universities have subscription to scholarly publications and databases. However, in some of the places, researchers are not able to access all the subscribed resources because of many reasons. Thus, the researcher has to visit the place in which all resources are accessible, and then they can collect it, whatever things they want. When researcher is visiting an institution where all the subscribed resources are available in full text, he has to collect all these resources in a single place. Many scholarly publications he has to download and keep it in a specific place where he can later on access. When he is downloading all these resources, he has to rearrange all the resources and enter bibliographic information manually, which has a great scope of errors. In recent years, we have seen that there are many new tools have been deployed by the commercial and open source community. These new reference management tools have a great scope and functionality in creating and managing references along with full text PDF files. In other words, we can say that these tools facilitates individual researchers to create their own mini digital library. This reference management system are developed on the collaborative approach, which enables users to share references with other researchers with whom they have some kind of collaboration with respective research work. Most of these tools are available online along with desktop version that allows users to use it even after the internet connection is disabled in their system. Number of these tools have also deployed in Android application for mobile devices. Most reference management systems are now have the feature to integrate full text files of scholarly publications. These tools handle scholarly content that is published in all types of documents. Open source tools and open standard plays a vital role in managing information of scholarly publications. Reference management system is a tool that helps scholars to create and manage their list of references for ongoing and past research projects. It is an organized set of system that allows end user to insert, download and rearrange desired reference sources in one place with full text document wherever available. Most tools are designed to organize citation into specific formats for the preparation of manuscript and bibliographies. Most reference management system has its own online emulator which downloads desired references in the desktop version or in an online account. Few reference management system also recognizes the metadata of books, journal articles, conference papers and almost all types of document from websites and databases and extracts metadata from these sources in the local library with associated documents. It works on verge of digital library software that eases the job of a researcher. The full text of respective resource only fetched in case of access is available to the user. Now let us understand how reference management system stores and arranges the metadata in their system. All reference management tools provide predefined bibliographic data input for almost all types of scholarly publication for manual data input. Many times, in case of old reference material, the bibliographic information is not available in online platform and thus This predefined data input fields will help in creating references in traditional resources. However, in more convenient for the researchers to automatically extract or harvest the data from the online scholarly databases, most of these reference management tools have the feature to import references directly from the web pages, and the embedded metadata can be fetched using web imported tools. Now let us understand the features of reference management tools. Reference management system recognizes bibliographic information of all types of document from the websites and extracts metadata from different sources. It stores associated full text documents along with PDF files and links in local library. It has a functionality to synchronize online and offline contents. It allows users to create notes and assign text to desired documents. It facilitates creation of bibliography references in most of the citation styles. It also creates a bibliography in Word and OpenOffice. It uses persistent identifier to locate and fetch bibliographic information from the websites. It automatically downloads full text content which is in open access, and web-based personalized user account for each and every user.